The Fisher-Price 123 Schoolbook Toy is an engaging electronic pretend notebook designed to captivate babies and toddlers with a variety of interactive activities. This toy features an array of school-themed essentials like a calculator, pencil, ruler, and a shape-covered chalkboard to stimulate hands-on learning. With Smart Stages learning levels, it introduces children to the alphabet, numbers, shapes, colors, and even Spanish words through fun songs, sounds, and phrases. Children can press light-up calculator buttons, spin a color wheel, and press the pencil to trigger multicolor lights, sounds, and music, making learning a multi-sensory experience. The toy includes numerous hands-on activities such as peekaboo shape doors, a magnifying glass slider, a flip-up ruler, and sliding clacker beads to keep little hands busy. Designed for infants and toddlers aged 6 to 36 months, this toy promises hours of educational fun and developmental benefits.